Hi guys, so I thought of that lady's name, Madeline Hunter. That's who it is. So if you didn't know what I'm just talking about, go back and watch the videos for this week, and it's on March 31st, and I was talking about lesson plans and different types of lesson plans, and the ones I did not like are Madeline Hunter, because that's what I had to do at a school. That's what she's called. Everybody may have different opinions on that. I just thought it was a lot of work for not a lot of bang for my buck. Okay, so this video is going to tell you how to upload a video of yourself talking about a lesson plan. So I'm going to use as a discussion as an example here, and I'm going to use a discussion from Cultural Diversity in Montana Schools, since you guys have both done this one before. So if you click on it, I'm going to get my head out of the way, and hit reply. So same thing with submissions, right? When you're turning in an assignment, you can go into this, and there's this little icon where it says insert. And if you go insert media, and then you come down here to upload record media, click on that, and then you could put a YouTube link in there, you could put a video in there if you want to, or, which is even cooler, you can hit this record button and it will record. And so you hit start recording and it will record what's ever on your thing. Now my picture is not going to show up because my video is also going for screencast, so that's probably why it's not working. So I'm just going to hit save, then you hit save media, and that little blip that I have up here, that video, it's going to come, and because there's no picture on it because my camera can only do one thing at one time, that's where you'd put that on there. And so what you're going to do for this assignment is you're going to find a lesson plan online. You're going to show us the lesson plan that you found. You're going to tell us the age. Let me get out of here first. I'm going to cancel this. Let's go back to here. And this is where you're going to do this. You're going to put it in the lesson plans right here. That's our assignment for this chunk of time. You have till April 7th. So you're going to put it in here. And it says, I want you to find the lesson plan, state the grade, the subject, and the standards that are being met. Now, if you use education.com, those standards are already in there. If you use something else that has different standards, and you're not really sure if they're the state standards, then you go back to opi.mt.gov, and if you forgot how to find that, go back to the video on March 29th and watch how we found the standards, and then you can put the standards in there. If you are using a lesson plan that you have seen before or have another teacher using before, totally fine. Scan it, throw it up there, that's fine. If you are using something from the internet, download it and show it to us. So what I'm asking you to do is I'm asking you to make a video of the lesson plan and you're going to tell us about, the grade, the lesson plan, the subject, standards, and if you like it. If you think it's a really great lesson plan, let's hear about it. If you don't think it's a great lesson plan, don't worry about it. Okay, so that's where this is going to go. And how you video yourself is a couple different ways. I showed you to do one on the discussion where you just video right from your computer, which is fine. If you're a YouTuber, then you can put it on YouTube and put a YouTube link in there. I use Screencast-O-Matic, like all the ones that I've been showing you on this class has been through Screencast. And I'll Google that real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's really easy. It's free. There's a screencast download for PC. So let's move over here. This is the one I use, Screencast-O-Matic. Sounds professional, doesn't it? That's the one I use, and you can get 15 minutes of video for free every time you use it. And so that's why I never talk more than 15 minutes, because I'm not paying for video. Okay, long story short, find a lesson, evaluate it, tell us if you like it or not, throw it up in a video, and explain what you like, what you don't like about it, and all the good deals, where you found it, those kind of things. If you are having trouble with any of this technology, please don't hesitate to ask. I can totally help you out with that. So even if it's something where you and I are on a Zoom and we just record the Zoom, we can do that and I can upload it for you, no problem. So if you're having trouble with the technology, don't worry, I can help. The main thing is just finding lesson plans that you think are quality or not, and then tell us why. The subject, the grade, the standards, all the good stuff. So I see on this video it's way lighter in the back because I must have closed this window here. So I think I'm going to do that from now on because my videos to you guys look like I'm looking into like this dark hole. But it's better now. Okay, enough rambling. Let me know if you need help. I would love to help you. If not, then I will look forward to seeing your videos. They are due April 7th. See you.